What number are we, Paris?
Press it.
What number?
6.
6. Good girl.
6 is vertically. Okay.
Is that number 6? Good job.
Okay.
Go first, my love. Thank you.
Press G, please.
Press G.
So we're in level 6, okay? Remember that. Good girl.
Canon M50.
Yeah. This way. It's okay, my love. Selena's awake.
I remember we left here.
Yes. This way, Daddy. Where are you going?
This way.
Oh. Open.
Like, do you want to go in here?
Oh. What is it now? Scooter? We can do scooters to get Celine.
Oh,
Yeah. Hang on. Yeah, I think it's the other way around. Katakot naman ng 36. Yan. Evening and weekends, $7 flat, right? Sa kabila, guys, 36. Although, one way lang naman ito. So, hindi makikita yung dito na side. So, we're in the city right now. Park kami dyan. Which way? This way? Nasyak ako bigla sa 36 eh. What is it now?
Garden here, which actually you can go in. It's just over next.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Quick, kiss this car.
We saw the turtle there.
Yeah, we saw it last time, remember?
No, yesterday we saw a turtle in there.
Dito kami sa city, guys. It is currently... What's the time now, Nak? Do you know? 38?
Is that right?
I think mga 1 o'clock ngayon.
10 o'clock?
So, 1. Punta kami sa Michael Hill kasi meron tayong isa sa uli.
I want to have a baby cheetah.
Baby Chino? We'll get juice, the very good one, yeah?
That orange one, that's my favorite.
The favorite one. Napaka-init today. 33 degrees Celsius. Tumaak sa panit. Nak? So hot, yeah? Tingnan nyo, naka-chinelas lang, oh. Naka-sleeveless. Sobrang init. Ang daddy Mike natin ay usual na, kanyang uniform. Shorts. Sleeveless. It's colorful. Oh, no? Very nice color.
I'm gonna get, I'm actually gonna get a ladybug again.
A ladybug?
Yeah, because I had one right there again.
We'll see if it's there.
Yeah, he's definitely.
Baby Celine is here.
He's always there in the
She's
city.
still not 100%. Yan. But she's quiet. Ate, don't. Ate, come here. Kasi pag nasugda na po na karong hilak ka na po. See? Give it to Mama, be. Hey, come here. Stay here, ate. She doesn't want it. You want one? Go. You gotta choose. Or do you want one? You want a new one or what? What do you say you want? You gotta tell the guy.
What would you like, honey?
Nice.
A bunny rabbit?
Do you want balloon lang?
What?
Do you want balloon?
Do you want ladybug? You can ask.
You want ladybug?
Hey, can you let's go back to ladybug.
The little one, yeah. Do you want a ladybug?
Thank you.
Do you want one lang? You want one lang? You siyang ilong. Adobo. Wow, ano naman ang ating baby girl eh. So good. Ano eh? It's so good, yeah? Wow! Ini kan sobrang cute mo. Ang galing-galing niya ba?
I feel like it's gonna pop such a flames. It'll be fine.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Show it to Selene. See if she likes it. Look, Lynn. Wow, it's a ladybug. Ladybird bug. Have a look, Barra. Have a look at the eyes.
Nah, don't pop it.
That's a big eye.
Don't pop it, silly.
That's a big eye, isn't it? So, depende sa'yo kung magkano yung ibabayad mo, guys. From 5 to 10. Okay. Sige, Barra.
Oh, she's
There you go. So, I gave him $8 for that. Yeah, she won't. Come on, we'll take it back. Okay, give her a minute. Are you gonna go, Michael Hill? Huh?
You gotta come.
Yeah, let's go.
The other thing I'll tell you.
Michael Hill is just there. City's so busy today. It's nearly Christmas. Yeah? We'll go have a look. Yes? This one?
Hey guys, how's it going?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Yeah.
Makapaalam oh. Yeah, they're doing the process now, guys. Bili na kayo, mga suki. Ganda ng kanilang Christmas tree dito, oh. Careful lang. Careful. 1, 2, 3. Hindi man ito sila child friendly dito eh. Meron mang stairs na. Nak, they have very nice Christmas tree, nak.
The label got hurt.
Huh?
The label got hurt.
What happened?
The label got hurt.
Got hurt? Oh my goodness. Celine, we can just look, but we can't touch, okay?
You can't open it. You can only touch like this.
Yeah. We have to be very careful, my love. Yes. Oh. We can't take it off.
You have to just touch it like this. Then
1, 2. 1. Oh.
my neighbor got hurt. Take it.
Oh no. Pick it up, my love.
Just pretend. Let's just pretend. Let's just pretend.
It must feel so good. Nakapaa, oh. Sumuginaw dito. Sobrang init sa labas. Go this way. Where's the juice now? Gonna go get this juice. Fresh juice. Then you have a more. Which one? Barrett? Very fresh yung kanilang juice dito, ha?
Well,
You wanna watch? Or get juice first? Yum yum! Here's mine, guys. Orange! At the Paris is orange. Sobrang tamis, guys. Seriously. We're sure Lily loves it. Time check tayo, guys. It is 2:17 in the afternoon. Ayan.
ladybug face.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Nini Chicken.
Hello.
Korean chicken yung kakanin natin. Oh, very next one. Diba? Nini Chicken. Where are you? Yeah. How's sleep? Yeah, just come here. What? You just ordered. Yeah, we have to wait there. At least 20 minutes, they said. Burn out. Burn out, guys. Si Daddy, dinala niya si Baby Celine. Umalis sila kanina kasi ito nagtingin-tingin doon sa shop kanina. Si Baby Celine ay suki. So, nilabas ni Daddy Mike.
And guess what? I got ladybug in the room.
Yeah. So, ito yung sisidla ng buto.
I using the pot like a bag. I need a pool.
Careful.
Okay.
No, enough. That's where you put the bones. Chicken bones. Lay down. So, ayun, kakatawag lang ni Daddy Mike. They're coming here now kasi ang ating Baby Celine na ay paiyak. I'm just gonna quickly show you my bag for today. Ayan, sobrang ganda, diba? I'm using this Teddy Blake handbag na I've had this one for a couple of years now, if I'm not mistaken. At ito yung nasipan ko yung suot today because I'm wearing white. And you know, kapag white yung suot mo, always, add pop of color. And this one is the perfect color for my white top. So, ayun. Meron ko siyang guys strap, and hindi ko ginamit. Ganito lang. Handbag ko lang siyang ginamit. And I really like this one because the size is perfect. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung wallet, nappy, diba? Kasha. They got wipes, mom life. So, ayan ang kanyang strap. So, you can wear it. Oh, look. Crossbody. If you want to, kung gusto mong maging hands-free. But since I'm with Daddy today, so okay lang na hindi ako hands-free kasi may katulong naman.
I don't want to eat all of the chicken.
You don't have to, right?
I just want to have one.
So, ayan. Sobrang ganda ng bag na ito, guys.
Yes, one.
Yeah, you can have one. Kasi, as mentioned, I've had this one for 2 years now and it still looks brand new kasi sobrang durable. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang leather, parang wala lang nangyari. No outside food or drinks allowed. Ayan, sobrang bagong-bago pa rin. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang hardware ay kumikinang-kinang pa rin. Excuse my nails. Oo, diba? Parang hindi nagamit, guys. Like new pa rin siya kahit na sobrang tagal na sa akin. Sobrang cute. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, oh. Mga gilid-gilid. Well, normal times of usage yung mga ganyan. May rubbings kasi alam nyo naman, ginagamit. Ayan, but all in all, it's really, really good. Very cute handbag. Tingnan nyo. Anyways, at the moment pala, Teddy Blake is hosting a massive sale. So from Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and of course, you know, yung paborito ng lahat, Christmas sale. They are hosting up to 80% off sa kanilang mga handbags. So you better check their website, www.teddyblake.com, para, you know, to own something like this at a very good price. Kasi nga, diba, sale and up to 80% off. Goodness. So yung ka makakita ngayon, parang pamigay presyo na yun. Kaya I'm very happy that, you know, I have this in my collection, guys. Kasi pag plain lang talaga yung suot mo, especially yung kulay na to, if you get other colors, then obviously you can pair it like kahit anong suot mo. But with this particular one, kasi it's not everyone's cup of tea, this color. It's parang ano siya, light, like bright. But if you get like black, smart classic color. Hello, you're back. Where did you go? Where did you go? Give me the dummy, my love, babe. Oh, anak ko, turn ko. Oh, you want Didi? You want Didi? Oh, look, is the Lily there? Thank you, Ate Pal. Thank you. Did you work?
On your face.
Where did you go, Daddy?
I didn't want to stay. I find her to stay.
Chicken? You gonna eat chicken? No? No chicken today. No chicken today.
Why?
Paris said, is that Daddy's age? This one.
Who?
I said next year. Tingnan niyo, number namin. Sabi ni Paris, edad daw ng tatay.
Next year?
Is it good to go to the doctors?
Yeah.
Why?
When you're sick. And not when I'm sick, I don't need to go. I just need to stay home and rest. Look at this, Mommy. I'm sick. What? I mean, look at this. When I do this.
How about when you're sick? Should you go to the doctors when you're sick?
No, because actually kids, they get sick, they just wish restroom.
Really?
Yeah. Some of the kids go to the doctor. Some of them. But not me. I don't like to go to the doctor.
See, that's why Daddy doesn't like to go to the doctors.
That's not why. It's because he wants to spend time together.
Oh, is that why?
Yeah, he thinks he's gonna miss the. He thinks we're just gonna spend time with you.
Oh, okay.
Just me and you.
You want to spend time with you, that's why he's coming?
So it's because he wants to spend time with all of us. That's why. That's why he doesn't want to go to the doctors.
Okay.
Guys, we're to go to doctors. We'll just wait for you. Ouchie, Mommy, that hurt. I don't like that.
Show me, Paris?
Huh?
Yeah. That is smaller than the one in Bulimba, yeah? Does it taste the same now? No?
It's very bad.
Which one is yummier? The other one?
Okay, I'm just gonna have a drink of blood. Okay, hold on, I'm just gonna.
Ay, Paris, you can just do that now.
Sorry.
Tingnan nyo, relax kayo, nanonood na. Lala! Put it here.
Finish.
It's alright, ate. Yay! You watching? Oh, skip ads. Skip ads, mama. There you go.
A few moments later.
5:40 in the afternoon. Ang ating bata ay okay. Payak-iyak na naman ito, girls. Nakauwi kami mga 15 minutes ago. So, from the city, after namin kumain doon, umuwi kami kaagad. And the next stop kami sa grocery. So, namili ako ng mga kailangan namin dito sa bahay. Tapos, umuwi kami kaagad kasi ito paiyak-iyak. Pinainom ko ng Panadol. And, nilagyan ko nito, oh. Kaya lang, kinuha niya. Ito siya ba? Kasi medyo mainit siya kanina. Ayan. Tapos, bumili ako ng, ano pa yung binili ko? Yung para sa vaporizer. Tapos, mga ano para sa ilong ba? Para sa humidifier sa loob ng bedroom. Kanyang ilong, oh. Kasi alam nyo guys, meron talaga kasi siyang mga ipin na lumalabas. So, hindi pa siya like, fully ba? Parang you can see the tip of it. Kaya siguro, masakit talaga. No? Kawawa naman ng baby, oy. Kawawa naman ng baby, oy. Yeah, so, every time, paano, gumaganon-ganon siya ba? But, yeah. Now, she's eating. So, she's fine. So, ayan, marami ako napamili from Woolies. Ito, pumunta ako ng chemist na malapit sa Woolies. Naghanap ako ng pang-kids kasi meron silang pang-kids nito eh. But then, sabi naman ng pharmacist doon na okay lang naman ito for kids daw. The only difference is in fact kids is obviously mas maliit kaysa dito. So, what I've done, kinap ko siya into 2. So, magagamit niya ng mas matagal ba kasi marami. So, ayan yung marami. And then, biscuits, toilet paper, ano pa ba, meat, everything na dito sa bahay. Para hindi kami, umalis mamaya. Kasi, ang ating Daddy Mike din ay mayroong ubo. So, oh my God. Kapag ganyan talaga yung nangyayari, guys, kapag may isa na nagkakasakit, ay lahatan na. So, I'm so happy na si mami niyo ay stay strong. I was actually feeling a little sick a couple of days ago. But, kaya nga, minsan kapag yung anak mo na yung may mga dinaramdam, parang kinakalimutan mo na, parang sinasabi mo na, I'm not allowed to get sick. So, parang nakikinig naman yung utak. No, biscuit. You hungry, guys? Kanina pa to siya tutoy ng tutoy, guys. Didi ng didi kay mama. Hungry day ka na. There you go. That's nice. Look. Yummy. Yummy, dear. Wow, you have a lot. See? Iba talaga ang aura kapag may sakit. Dehumidifier, moisture absorber. Ayan, para sa ating bedroom. Very humid. Bili ako ng asin. Tingnan nyo ang asin na binili ko. Ay, talagang, ba to? 2 kilo na kaagad. Kasi, yung binibili namin, yung nasa, maliit na ganyan. Tapos ito, pinaglalaruan pa. Siguro lagay sa rubbish bin. Naitapon, wala na kaming, pag nagluluto kami ng steak, wala nang salt kasi hindi kami nakabili last time. Ito na? Floor wipes. Love using that one. Easy. Hindi na kailangan ng mop. This one? Do you like that one? Ooh, it's heavy enough. Like it? Huh? Got some chicken. I love chicken nuggets. This is crown chicken chippies. Ano pa ba ito na? this one, vegetables, frozen vegetables. Mango. Naka-sale yung mango. Kasi, naka-ano siya, season ng mango dito. $2 lang siya. Kapag hindi season, guys, $5, $6 ang isa. Alright. Tingnan mo. Mango na. I've got corn. Ayan. Crawling insect killer. Yan, alam niyo ba? Sobrang daming ano dito. Ganyan kasi kapag ano, tropical ba? May mga insects. This one, party pies. Bili natin na. I got these French fries. May mga araw na tamad magluto. Very, ano, handy. And wipes. Vaseline. And then nappy here. Toothbrush and all. Facial tissue. Oh, gosh! You want this one? I'm gonna wipe. Whoa. I have to open it now. Open it. You can't open. You can't eat the skin. You silly girl. Silly. Oy! Ano na? Buno na. Nabunol na ang ating mangga. You wanna get it? Get it? Get it? Himala nagpalagay, oh. Get it? Uy! Anak ko! Mama, bro. I have to cut it first, babe. Give it to mama, babe. Give it to mama. You're a silly girl. Oh. Yeah, what happened? What happened? Can you dance kang mama, babe? Hala, nahumok na, nak. Nabunol na gano'n, nak. Nak. Drop some money. Drop some money. Drop some money. Drop some money. Drop. Are you feeling better? You feeling better? Oh, bakat namin gali. Oh, we'll give some to Ate Paris too. Yeah. Shall we share to Ate Paris? It's no.
I wanted the size.
Happy New Year!
And a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring for you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Mayang Pasko, tagbalay.
Yeah?
Mayang Pasko, tagbalay. Give it to Celine na po siya mag-cry. Ayan, ang ating Daddy Mike ay nasa kwarto, guys. Nagpapahinga pa rin. And from here, naririnig ko ang kanyang ubo. Oh my God. So, anuhan ko yan siya mamaya ng Vicks Vaporub kagabi. Parang hinagod-hagod ko yung likod niya. Tapos yung dibdib ng Vicks Vaporub. Yung ulo niya, massage ng ganun. Para maging ano. Kasi sobrang parang tight ng kanyang chest ba kapag umuubos siya. Nakno! Lahat na lang dito may sakit. Oy! Nakno! Josh! Good girl ni Mama. Ayan, alam niyo talaga kapag okay siya. Hindi siya 100% happy, pero at least walang sakit yung nararamdaman niya. Kasi kanina, iyak siya ng iyak. For sure, there's something like painful ba? Siguro yung gums niya. Oh, stop! Uy!
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Say, ready, steady, go. No. Ready, steady.
Let me get.
No. Ready, steady. Ready, steady. Oh, ano. Kaysa ranak ba? Mama balik-balik. Langga na ni Mama. Ay, siya palangga siya, mamang ko. You will eat dinner, okay? Ayan. Magdadala na ng ano. Babe, Mama will do it.
This is all you can kill.
That's right, yeah.
So let me tell you what you can kill. You can, what's that? Oh, ants. 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 And what's, is it?
I know. They're all bugs, honey girl.
So, cockroach.
Yeah.
Spider. What's that?
Silverfish. I don't even know what it is.
Silverfish?
Mm.
That's okay.
That one.
That's actually a kind of thing. That's a kind of spider.
It's fleas.
Fleas?
Mm.
That's what you can kill.
That one is, what's that be? Clouds moths.
Clouds moth?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like that's
A carpet beetles and millipedes. Yeah.
These are very long. Do you know that?
I know.
A few moments later.
Snacks tayo, guys. Uy, here, oh! Here. Ang ating baby Celine ay nakatulog na. Alam niyo ba? Pinasok ko siya sa bedroom kasi si Daddy Mike nga nagpapahinga. Kasi nga hindi din maganda yung pakiramdam niya. And, pinasok ko si baby Celine kasi dapat bibihisan ko na yung, bibihisan ko na siya for bed. Yes,
Look what I can do.
Ayan. We will play with the ball now because it's late in the evening na ako. And Celine will be awake. Short night. Alam niyo ba, si Daddy Mike talaga ay merong magic touch, guys. Kasi, like literally, maybe 3 minutes na nawala ako sa bedroom. Nilagay ko lang siya sa bed, tabi ng tatay niya. Tapos, umalis ako kasi kumuha ako ng napi dito sa kabilang kwarto. Pagkabalik ko, alam niyo ba, she was already sleeping, cuddling Daddy Mike. I-insert ko yung video kasi binidyohan ko na lang pagpasok ko doon. And sobrang yung heart ko ba. Kasi, you know, seeing your daughter na, like, close din sa kanyang, very close sa kanila. Kahit si Ate Paris din naman, she's very close to, Daddy Mike. About it for today's video, guys. Yun yung ganap natin for today. Thank you very much for watching, as always. Appreciate you all. And, yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Bye.
hello. And if you can't,
Where's it? Me like a see.
don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Tell me. You're telling me right. Be careful. Bye.